Hello guys. So in this video we will understand the delete statement. So given some particular records, so if you have multiple records, say for example you want to delete few records within this, either you want to delete one record or you want to delete multiple records. So to delete that multiple records, what you have to do is use delete statement. So the syntax for delete statement is very simple. So I prefix with delete and then I say from. So from where I would say delete from customer tables where, and then I will give condition for delete. So I can say where example country is Mexico. So wherever country is Mexico, delete that record. Where country is, I can say Mexico. So all the Mexico records. So wherever all the rows, wherever the country is Mexico, wherever the country is Mexico, that records will be deleted. So now if I run this, so you see 5 rows were successfully deleted. So now if I try to print the customer table, so you can see there is no such records where country is Mexico. Why? Because I've given condition wherever country is Mexico, delete that complete row. So you can see there is no Mexicos in my country. It has been completely deleted. So this is the example for your delete statement. It's very simple, and this is used to delete either one or multiple records in your MySQL.